Welcome to be a part of Creative Wanderers. Until now, we have learned something known as this int data type and also this float data type in Python. And also we know that these both are under the category of this number or numeric data type. But then we have another data type which is known as complex data type. And this is also under the category of our number data type. But as the name suggests, this is a bit complex. But the good part is, we are not going to use much of this in our programming career or even at the process of learning. So this is not used much, but then you have to know that, hey, this complex data type is available in our Python programming language. And if at some point of time in your life you want to use this, then go on for that. And what is this complex data type? Well, as soon as I hover over this, my REPL gave me this information that complex means something which have a real part and an imaginary part, right? So hopefully you all might have heard, like in mathematics, there are a concept of complex numbers, which is same as this. So complex numbers are something which contains a real part and an imaginary part. And it is in the form of a plus bj, where j is in uppercase or in lowercase, your choice. And let's say here our a is and b is 3. So this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Now we want to check whether this is our complex data type. So let's do this. How can we do that? Well, say print and then type of 2 plus 3j, and don't forget this parenthesis. And then let's run this. Did you see that? We got class complex. So no doubt that complex follows this syntax. That is a real part and an imaginary part, and this is our complex data type. And I'm not going to tell you what this complex data type is in detail just because we are not going to use this in a way ahead. So why waste time, guys? And do code along with me. With said that, see you in the next video. Stay tuned.